Using the wrong tray? Here's what each one's actually for. If your food comes out soggy, scorched, or uneven, you might be using the wrong tray setup in your Ninja oven. Here's what each accessory actually does and how to use it right. Wire rack. For support and airflow. The wire rack isn't just a shelf, it's required for almost every cooking mode. Your sheet pan or basket should sit on top of it, not in place of it. Use the lower rails for bake, toast, or roast, and the top rails when air frying with the basket. Sear plate or sheet pan. For baking, roasting, or reheating. This is your main tray. It sits on top of the wire rack and should never be slid directly into the oven rails. Use it for cookies, chicken, pizza, or anything that needs a flat surface. Sliding it in without the rack puts it too close to the element and cooks unevenly. Air fry basket. For crisping and airflow. The mesh basket is designed to sit in the top rails only. Always place the sheet pan underneath it, on the rack, to catch grease and maintain airflow. Never use the basket alone or in the lower rails. It burns or dries out food fast. Crumb tray. For catching drips, not cooking. This goes in the very bottom slot under the heating element. It's not a cooking surface. If you put food on it or use it as a tray, it'll smoke badly and cook unevenly. If this helped straighten out your tray setup, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your wire rack is warped or unstable, I've linked the one I use below. Makes every mode work like it should. Thanks for watching, and don't just pick a tray, use the right one for the job.